Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar and in today's video we are going to talk about a debatable topic, and that is which place is better to live. We know that India is a vast country and there are more than 6 lakh villages in our country, and most of the people are living in villages. If we imagine or guess, then around 60% population of our country is living in villages, while the other 40% people are living in cities. And out of those 40% people, half of them are living in metro cities, means big cities, and other 20% people are living in small cities, towns. Those are considered as village itself. But these two students are going to speak either in favor of a village life or a city's life. So please tell me your name.
My name is Rajni.
And what are you going to favor?
I would like to favor on the village.
Okay. Rajni is going to speak in favor of village life. And what's your name?
My name is Kajal Gond and I am favor to city life.
Okay. Kajal is going to speak in favor of city's life. Rajni, please come in the frame. First, I would like to give you a chance to speak on this topic. Please take around 2 minutes and speak why village life is better.
Hello everyone, I am Rajni and I would like to share my opinion on the village life. According to me, village life is good, much good than the cities. Much better than the cities, just because in the village people are socialized more than in cities people. And their environment is more fresh than the cities, just because there are lots of the trees, lush green trees, and also lots of the farmers doing the agriculture, so their air and their no lots of the pollution like cities, and their pollution decreased by the more of the plantation and more of the farming fields.
Okay. So the first point she is mentioning is clean environment. In villages there is no factories, there is no big vehicles, and there is no noise pollution as well. People are living a simple life and there is very less pollution, or you can say that there is no pollution, and they live a healthy, fresh life, right? Yes, Kajal, what would you like to speak about city? Why city is a better option to live?
I think city is a better because more than people are live in cities, because there are many technologies and features for everyone, like students student के लिए मतलब
For students, better opportunities are there in cities.
हाँ, yes, sir.
Okay, she has a lot to speak. She will tell her point later. While one point she is mentioning that cities is full of opportunities. If you are living in cities, then you have lots of opportunities, whether you are a student or a working professional, where you are job seeker or anyone. So if you are living in cities, then you can get a job easily. So first thing she is saying that there is employment in cities, and that's why lakhs of people are migrating towards the city from villages every single year. So she is right up to her place. What other option would you give? What other reason will you give that villages are better? She is saying that people are migrating from villages to cities.
So according to me, my friend says that there are a lot of the opportunities for the youngs and the peoples for the industrial workers. So I would like to mention that industrial area is also situated on the outside of the cities, on just like villages have a lots of the land places, and there are lots of the lands, and people are trying to earn money. So if the industrial area is situated in the near of the villages, there people also do the work in the that workplace, and also money by the living in their homes.
Okay. She has a valid point by saying that industries are not situated in cities. They are situated near cities, in a village somewhere, and that village develops into a city due to the course of time. So both of them have given their opinion. I would give you one last chance to favor your point. Just use all of your knowledge about the city and tell why cities are better. Take your time, there is no problem. You can talk about quality of life. Okay, the people who are living in cities, they live quality life. Means you can give example, if any festival comes, then people celebrate it on grand level. In villages they celebrate on very small scale. Okay, all the big temples are situated in cities like Mahakal temple and all. We go to Banaras and all this. These are city areas. So everything is on grand scale in cities. So people live quality life. They go and shopping in a mall like villages, and village people are shopping on small shops. ये point आप बोल सकते हैं.
Cities life there are very fantastic life in our everyone and it's a
It's okay, take your time. So one last chance to defend your point. Why villages are better?
According to me, villages are much better than the cities, just because today's generation there are a lots of pollution who decrease the quality of the human, so it causes lots of the diseases. So that situation is more important to save ourselves by the any type of the disease. So according to me, villages are good for the healthy human lifestyle, and also there are lots of the opportunities also occur in the villages areas. Now the government also help the people to do the business by their hometown, and also give the lots of the opportunities to take too much time by their family members, and also do the work by their homes.
The biggest job provider sector is farming. Don't forget that. Around 60 crore people are directly dependent on farming sector, and that is situated in villages. So we can say that villages is also a job provider, not only cities, but villages are also job provider. So thank you for speaking on this lovely topic. Audience, you can clap for us. Please go and sit.